Welcome to the YBL AI Quickstart video. We've built the YBL AI Copilot to free you from the mundane, helping you with everything from meeting notes to data entry. This video is in 3 parts. First, we'll go over the Copilot's basic features and functions. Second, we'll show you how this all works with an example. And lastly, we will show you where to go for examples and further tutorials should you need them. Let's start. If you've used any chat or AI service before, most of this will be intuitive. For example, in the center of the page, you'll find some buttons to get you started. And at the bottom, you'll find a familiar chat box. There are some unique features that are worthwhile highlighting. Clicking on the microphone icon will initiate a voice recording, start a transcription, and finish with the production of a meeting note. If you are using a popular meeting application such as Zoom or Google Meet, you can simply paste the meeting information into the Copilot and it will join the meeting. The document icon allows you to upload files, such as PDFs and other documents. This is helpful to brief the Copilot with information that is relevant to a task you are trying to achieve. The script icon enables you to operate other systems like CRMs, Microsoft Office, or create new meeting notes. Clicking on this button pulls out a list of actions you can choose from to fetch information into the Copilot's memory, or to get the Copilot to do the data entry for you. At the end of each response, you may find a file that you can download. This may include a meeting note, a transcription, a log file, a report, or any other document. This file is in the AI's recent memory and may be useful in your next action. Additionally, the AI will try and help you with your current task by giving you a range of suggestions. In the case where an AI is struggling with giving you the right answer, it may also ask you for more information here. From time to time, a canvas on the right-hand side of the screen may appear. This may vary depending on what you are doing. For example, when you're having a meeting, this will show you the meeting assistant as it's transcribing. Or if you are operating another system such as a CRM or Microsoft Word, it'll present here a request for further information or give you a confirmation of what it intends to do before proceeding. AI is getting better and better and will often be right, but we do know it can make mistakes. Presenting a plan to you as to what it's going to do and giving you a chance to edit it is a way of avoiding errors. When an operation is completed, results are returned in the chat box and stored in the AI's memory for future reference. This is helpful when you're trying to synthesize data from various sources. You can grab information from your CRM, another enterprise tool. Do a search online. And all that information will now be available to the Copilot to do whatever task is needed. This can be very powerful. And it can also pose a security problem. We need to make absolutely certain that you have the power to keep each client's data separate. Which is why we have folders. By default, the AI's working memory is confined to each chat. In its simplest form, you can have multiple meetings or have dozens of documents within a chat. But in some cases, you may have years of files and you'll want this to work with your other business processes in your office. The folder system allows you to organize chats by client for easy access and management and to replicate files to your existing file system through Dropbox, Google Drive, or with SharePoint. While most of the service is free, some features that require additional computing power, like voice transcription or use of system integrations, may consume a small number of points. As a new user, you'll have a number of points to get started. And if you want to buy more points, you can do so by clicking on this button here. In Settings, you can manage systems integrations ranging from meeting applications, enterprise applications, and storage. To show how this all comes together, let's use an example. Here, a client has emailed asking for advice, with a portfolio statement. We'll begin by taking the client's email and drop it in, then dragging and dropping in the PDF into the chat box. Then we'll ask the AI to call the CRM to pull in data on the client. What's happened here is that we're bringing all of this information into the current chat's context before telling it what to do. Next, we'll ask the AI to prepare a summary and then a draft meeting agenda. As you know, this can often take a lot of time. But because the Copilot has been briefed, it's able to produce the right documents for you based on our system templates or any templates that you may have provided. Okay. Now that's done. Let's start the meeting. Notice we're having the meeting starting within the same chat. And the Copilot is transcribing the meeting live as the meeting is unfolding. Let's jump straight to the end of the meeting. After the meeting finishes, the AI will produce a transcript and a default set of meeting notes. You can ask it to create other meeting notes if you prefer. Because all of this work, before, during and after the meeting. The AI has the context to do a wide range of things. Such as drafting a response to your client, file the notes to your CRM, prepare an action points list, and send information off to a Word document or Excel spreadsheet. Filling in a PDF. Posting the data to yet another bespoke application that you may have other than the CRM. And so many other things. Thank you for watching this video. You can find more help in our wiki. We are updating this frequently with new help files, integrations, and examples. We are also regularly updating and improving our service, optimizing the AI, adding new features, and fixing bugs. We hope you'll enjoy using our service. It can be as powerful as you want it to be. Freeing you to be the human, not the machine.